Vision's DAX, digitally aligned cutting system, uses fiduciaries printed on the application to align the cut file to the print. This allows for perfect print-to-cut registration for Vision's CNC routers. DAX is easy to use, requiring minimal training and setup time. It is the most cost-effective, accurate solution to improve digital finishing. Vision's optional oscillating knife allows you to cut sign foam, coroplast, rubber, leather, cardboard, and other semi-rigid materials. Vision's 2550 CNC router engraver is a low-maintenance machine that offers a large 25-inch by 50-inch work area. The 2550 is available with a heavy-duty aluminum T-slot table or vacuum table. Other options include an auto raster braille inserter, Unist misting system, DAX print-to-cut, oscillating knife and more. Make ADA braille signs, cutout letters, inlays, directional signage, industrial signs, warning signs, print-to-cut and other sign applications. Vision offers small desktop-sized engraving machines, on up to larger 4 feet by 8 feet router engravers. Manufacturing in the USA since 1983, you can be confident when purchasing a Vision. Learn more about Vision's DAX and the 2550 CNC router engraver. Visit us online at www.visionengravers.com today.